show you me deck. Come here. Obviously I didn't film any of this process, and I'm sorry about that, but it was bloody stressful, and I'm going to bring you along for the rest of the journey. I've got to put some planks down, which I've ordered online. I'm going to show you that in a minute, and I'll sort of talk you through what I did step by step, and hopefully you can learn something from it. Yeah, so the whole motivation behind building this deck was to cover up this concrete slab in my backyard. I built the frame using 12 16-foot 2x4s, spaced at 12 inches apart, held together with outdoor construction screws. I tried to get the frame as square as I possibly could before figuring out how to level it. So to level it, I found this company online who sells these incredible adjustable joist supports, and I combined that with just your standard 4x4 decking posts when the frame got a little further away from the slab. These 4x4s were secured to the concrete using various brackets and concrete anchors, all available from your local hardware store. Had to add a bit of concrete there where it came off the slab, and here I used some treated little pieces of wood that were painted in a waterproofing material just to tuck under bits where it was a little tight. And there's my cameraman helping up with some waterproofing, and here's the deck all leveled and all secured, looking bloody gorgeous. This thing would survive a hurricane, I'll tell you that. Right, because I spent so much time and effort on this framing, I wanted to make sure it was going to last as long as possible, and I'm going to use joist tape, which is sort of like a rubber sealant that goes over the top of the joists, and it's going to offer water protection, and it's going to give the treated timber a lot longer life. Put it down like this. So yeah, we go the whole way. Sticking it down as we go. Right, framing finished. Let's go and pick up the decking. I don't remember. Yeah. Right, so we just unloaded all this tigerwood, and now it's time to figure out how to install it. We're going to start with a 4-inch picture frame edging. Let me show you this. I just laid down the first bit of tigerwood. So as you can see, I tried to make this base as square as I could. I tried my best to make sure it was 90 degrees. I cut these 4-inch picture framing pieces at a 45-degree angle, and it matched up absolutely perfect. So I ordered enough 4-inch planks to cover the perimeter. The center is going to be made up of 6-inch planks. So we just did this picture frame, this 90-degree picture frame on one corner, and then I'm going to lay these planks out. We'll see how we go. So anyway, the first board, including the picture frame, have to be screwed in, and I have these little plugs that are going to fill these holes. They provided these little wooden plugs. Right, so as you can see, I've laid out all my wood here, and I'm just starting to install the planks, and I've done a few. Sort of quite a stressful job, so it's hard for me to film and do it at the same time, you know. Right, so now I'm going to show you how to install these planks, how to attach these planks together using these things called Ipe clips that the company provides, and it sort of provides like they go like this and provides a seamless thing. You don't have to put bloody screw holes in here, do you? So anyway, it sort of fits together like this. Right, so there we go. It went in bloody smooth, didn't it? It's a lot easier than the other ones. So I'm trying to whack the end in. Nice and tight over there. You're going like that. Okay. And then what you do is clip those in the groove, and then you drill a 45-degree pilot hole, and then we're going to fix it to the thing. But before I fix it all the way in, I want to show you a trick. I got a little 90-degree metal thing from the hardware store, and I just attach it to this piece of wood here. And what I can do is I slot it in here, and if I feel that there's a bit of a gap, what I do is I've got this clamp, right? And I've just sort of been clamping the wood in, so it's nice and bloody firm. Okay, see what I'm doing there? Just making sure this gap is nice and tight, because some of this wood's not straight, it's bent, you know. There you go. That's so I just made a nice straight edge on the edge of these planks here, and so what I did is I just sort of, see, I dropped this chalk line, and then what you do is you measure the offset for the saw, and you just screw a piece of straight piece of wood there. Use 2x4. I've taken the other one off down there, and as you can see, it just sort of lines up perfectly with it, and you sort of just run along that line, and it came off bloody good. Right folks, so finished a good part of the deck here, and I'm just putting my oil on. So anyway, I have to finish off this back section because some of this wood was unusable, and I called the company. They're replacing 6 of the planks. So yeah, happy. It's looking bloody good with the oil, isn't it? It's called eBay oil. eBay oil. It's hardwood deck finish. Look them up. I just wanted to show you what's going on underneath here, and that I had to add 2 extra 2x4s to the edge of the frame so that I could secure the last board properly and also attach the 4-inch picture frame edge. Anyway, here's the other side of the deck completed. Just put a last coat of oil down. Going to wait for 20 minutes and wipe off the excess. But just thought I'd show you the other side that I've just completed a few days ago. As you see here, we put some skirting around the edges. She looks bloody pretty, doesn't she? Hey, thanks for watching folks. Hope you got something out of this video. No, I really appreciate you watching these videos, and I do hope you get something out of them. And as you can see, this project was quite successful, and we're gonna get some good use out of this deck this summer. So stay tuned for the next project in Redges Renovations, and that's all. Over and out.